Good morning, Year 5. Welcome to topic lesson number 5, and this week we're going to be learning all about how Spain is combating climate change. So first things first, your recap. I'd like you to describe what happens at the following 3 events: Camino de Santiago, the Run of the Bulls, and La Tomatina. After you've done that, I would like you to say what problems Spain is facing due to climate change, and you can actually do that here on your sheet. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, last lesson we looked at the effect of climate change on Spain. We looked at a few different forms of renewable energy that Spain could use. They also announced that by 2050 they planned on being carbon neutral, which means that they won't absorb, it means that they'll absorb as much carbon dioxide as they produce. Carbon dioxide is one of the largest greenhouse gases. This doesn't just happen overnight. They're going to have to put in a lot of work for it, so they've got a huge plan, and it is called the Climate Change Plan. So Spain plans to invest 47 billion euros in renewable energy. They hope that by the year 2030, 74% of the electricity that they use will be from renewable sources. And they hope that by the year 2050, 100% of the energy that they use will be from renewable resources. Now, in the long run, this means that they'll be getting a lot more money, as they'll be hiring a lot of people to work at these new places where you can collect energy in a renewable way. It also means that they'll save money by shutting down things like the methods that they use to collect fossil fuels and the natural gases. Okay, and then here's a picture of Spain's Prime Minister setting out his plans. He looks confident. I think he can do it. So in the plans, it says that Spain will build 3,000 megawatts of wind and solar power capacity every year for the next 10 years. And then they'll ban new deals for fossil fuel drilling and fracking. Okay, so they plan on doing lots more of this, building 3,000 megawatts of it every year. Now, as you can see, they've got the green ticks. They are both renewable. And then they're going to stop doing this, which is fracking. So that involves breaking rocks to extract gas and drilling into the earth for fossil fuels. Those are both non-renewable, so they're going to stop doing that, which is brilliant. Okay, so it's not just Spain who have said that they're going to try and be carbon neutral by 2050. The UK has actually said that as well. So have a little think. Can you work out any types of renewable energy that we could use to help us become carbon neutral by 2050? And if you can't think of what all of the forms of renewable energy are, use KidRex, have a little search up types of renewable energy. I'd like you to answer that just there. So pause the video and do that now. What could the UK do to ensure that we are carbon neutral by 2050? Now, once you've done that, there's another question. Is there anything that we can do that Spain may not be able to do as well as us? Okay, so what forms of renewable energy could we do in the UK that Spain may not be able to do as well? They could probably do it a little bit, but not quite as well as us. And I've given you a little clue here. Remember the amount of coast we have. Now, if you compare the amount of coast that we've got to what Spain has got, I think that's a pretty good clue as to some forms of renewable energy that we could do there. Okay, don't forget to do these questions here, which is just explaining what these terms mean. Again, you've got KidRex there to help you. Okay, guys, good luck. I look forward to seeing all of your work. See ya. Bye.